I am the questioning attorney.
And I am the witness.
Ready? Would you please state your name for the record?
My name is Harry Walton.
Are you with the local police department, sir?
That is correct.
Which division do you work in?
The Juvenile Division.
Did you still work there in July of 2011?
Yes, I did.
Did you have occasion on July 26, 2011 to investigate the case of Joe King?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you start your investigation on the 26th?
I got the call while in the office of the Juvenile Division. I was sent to 3558 Lake Street to conduct the investigation.
Whose residence is that?
It is the defendant's home.
Did you find Mr. King there?
Yes, we did.
Did you find his father there also?
That's correct.
Did you get permission from the father to search the residence?
Yes, sir. He gave us his permission.
Did you talk to the defendant, Joe King?
Yes, we did.
Can you identify Joe King for the ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
He's sitting there next to counsel at the defense table.
On July 26th, did you ask the defendant some questions?
Yes.
Prior to doing that, did you read Mr. King his rights?
Well, I said he could have an attorney present to advise him either prior to or during the questioning.
Did you tell him anything else regarding his rights?
I also said that if he was unable to afford an attorney, he had the right to have one appointed for him prior to or during questioning.
Did you advise him of the right to remain silent and not make any statement at all?
Yes, I read the entire Miranda rights card to him upon his arrest. I also advised him that any statement he made could and probably would be used in evidence against him at a trial.
Did you also inform him that he had the right to terminate an interview at any time, even if he began to talk with you?
Yes, I did.
After giving him this warning, did you ask anything about whether or not he possessed a handgun?
I asked him if he understood, and he responded that he did.
Did you ask him anything about a handgun?
Yes, ma'am.
Did the defendant respond to your question?
Yes, he did.
What was his answer?
He admitted the weapon was behind the sofa in the living room in a green bag.
Did you recover that pistol from behind the living room sofa where he said it was?
Yes.
Did you find any of the deceased's property on the premises?
At the time, I recovered a bottle. I also found silverware and some jewelry that Joe told me came out of the victim's house.
Officer, did you have Joe's father sign a consent form before the questioning began?
Yes.
So Mr. King's father signed a written consent form before you first questioned him or searched the house. Is that your testimony?
We did not have a printed document, so one was written out, but yes, he did sign it before we questioned his son or searched the premises.
Is that available to us today?
Yes, the prosecutor has it.
Who wrote that statement in longhand?
I did.
Is that Mr. King's signature on it?
Yes, that is Mr. King Sr.'s signature.
Did you explain to him what that contained?
I did.
What did you say exactly?
I explained to Mr. King that the document was a consent to search his residence, place of work, and other property.
Did he at any time refuse to give you his consent?
No, he didn't.
Did he hesitate to execute the form?
No, he said that he didn't approve of the kind of things his son was involved with and signed it immediately.
Was any other officer there besides you?
Do you mean at that exact time when Mr. King Sr. signed the form?
Yes.
No, there was no other officer available.
Was Joe King present?
No, he wasn't.
Do you remember where he was?
He was in the living room.
So he wasn't present when the statement was signed. Is that your testimony?
That's correct. Joe was in the living room.
Is there any particular reason you didn't request Joe's signature?
Mr. King Sr. had care, custody, and control of the house at that time. The gun could have been at any place in the building.
Did you personally search Joe King?
When I took him into custody, yes.
Did you arrest the defendant then?
Correct.
Was he under arrest at the time you gave him his Miranda warning?
Yes.
So is it your testimony that you had served Joe King prior to the time that you gave him that warning?
I took him into custody and advised him of the charges against him. If I recall correctly, I searched him at the time I advised him of his rights.
Are you saying you searched him and then advised him?
Yes.
Was anyone else there?
At that time, Officer Henderson was there.
Did Officer Henderson witness the statement, and was he present at the time it was executed?
No, he was not.
So are you saying he arrived later?
He was in the family room. Henderson had already arrived, but he wasn't in the room with us when I advised the defendant of his legal rights.